In this video I am sharing a recipe, how I make jelly from pineapple. After peeling the pineapple, I am rubbing it with salt, and keeping it aside for a few minutes. After a few minutes, I am washing away the salt from the pineapple. Now cutting the pineapple into small pieces. There are two types of pineapple dish, which we can make in minutes, such as jelly and chutney. At first I am making the jelly dish. After cutting the pineapple into small pieces, I am using a mixer grinder to make a nice paste of the pineapple. To make this dish hot and sweet, I am using boot pepper and some other ingredients like sugarcane jaggery balls, panchphoron masala, 5 types of spice, dried bay leaves, jeera powder, dhania powder, and red chili powder. After heating the frying pan for a few minutes, I am pouring small amount of cooking oil and frying the panchphoron masala, 5 types of spice, and bay leaves. Now adding a small piece of boot pepper, one of the hottest chili found in the world. Pouring the smashed pineapple, and cooking it for a few minutes. Now adding jeera powder, dhania powder, and red chili powder. Adding the jaggery, which will give the dish a hot and sweet taste, which helps stimulate saliva flow. Lastly, adding table salt for giving it an added taste to the dish. Cook it for a few minutes, and let it cool down. After it is cooled down to room temperature, taking it out in a bowl. One can eat it fresh, or keep it inside a refrigerator, and eat it at a later time. Homemade jelly are fresh, good to eat, and one of the healthiest foods for the entire family, as no preservative is added. Now I am making a chutney, using a pineapple. Cooking it the same way as I have cooked it for making the jelly. What I am doing here is, I am not using a mixer grinder but cooking the small slices of pineapple directly, and adding the same ingredients such as boot pepper and some other ingredients like sugarcane jaggery balls, panchphoron masala, 5 types of spice, dried bay leaves, jeera powder, dhania powder, and red chili powder. In both the dishes, the same ingredients are added, but both the dishes taste differently. Serve it with any dish you like. Eat it, enjoy it. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more.